What's up YouTube? CAWWE12W here, back with another video and another unboxing, and this is a really special unboxing for me right now because I'm gonna unbox none other than the 1/6 scale Carlito's Way figure from Blitzway. And I've never said this before, I don't know if I have, but Carlito's Way is my favorite movie of all time. I love Michael Myers. I love horror movies. You know, I love mafia movies. Horror, mafias, and action are my thing. But you know, Carlito Brigante. Mother effort to the max. You know, the movie to me, it's a masterpiece, man. You know, I like it better than Scarface and everything. So let's get to it. I'm so hyped up. You know, I finally got it through the door. UPS just delivered it, so I'm so excited. So let's open it up. I'm gonna put the camera down really quick. Let's see if I have to. I don't know, maybe I don't. Yeah, I do. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Open it up here. Now, I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube on this figure, and definitely gotta say, tremendous reviews I've seen. Everybody's review is great. I can't say who has the best review on this. Hopefully I do, which I doubt it, because everybody just dedicates so much time and detail in their review. It's just amazing. But anyways, let's see. And boom, there it is, guys. It's a Carlito's Way Blitzway 1/6 scale collectible figure. You take this out of the box. Put the camera down once again, guys. Sorry if I leave you watching nothing, but you'll be alright for right now. Alright, let me get this UPS box out of the way. And yep, make some room for me to sit down here so I can show you guys what this badass figure is all about. So there we go, guys. There's the box. Comes in a plastic bag. Come on, focus, guy. Come on. Alright. Comes in a plastic bag to protect the awesome box. Let me go ahead and remove this plastic bag out of it so we can get this open. Alright. Okay. Hold up, guys. Sorry again, but in order for me to do this, I gotta go ahead and use my both hands, Wow, what a nice ass box, I'll tell you. Wait till you see it. I bet you guys have already seen reviews on this bad boy, so there it is. The Carlito's Way Blitzway 1/6 scale, and there you see his name, Carlito Brigante. And yep, just like Benny Blanco says in the movie, mother effort to the max. I'm not gonna say the curse words because there's kids watching sometimes on this, so yeah. So then let's see. Let me go ahead and put the box like this, set this knife aside, and let's open it up. Opens up with a nice little magnet here on this side, and when you open it up, it's got a nice little brown look to it there. Okay, let me scoot it up a little bit so it could open fully. Has the 20th anniversary limited edition, so this is a limited edition figure. It's not going to be out for so long until once it's out of the market. A lot of people sell these on eBay for an expensive ass price. So let's set this aside for right now, and here it goes, guys. You ready for this? I mean, My gosh, I think I'm ready, but I mean, are we ready? Oh, here we go. Oh, I think I see a glimpse. I see. There it is. Dang. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, there's the figure of Carlito Brigante. And I gotta tell you guys, looking at it in front of me, my goodness. Let me get this bad boy out of here. You gotta come out, bro. You can't be in there forever. Come out. Wow, look at that. Look at that amazing head sculpt, guys. I mean, as I know, the same guy that did he did the Scarface, I think, head sculpt, did this one, and he's done some other ones for Hot Toys as well. He's a badass sculptor, you know, from, I believe he's from Japan or something, I'm not sure. But yeah, definitely, you know, comes with a leather jacket. You know, I don't know if it's real leather. It doesn't really, it feels like leather, but it feels real thin as well. Really cool. Comes with the boots and the pants. And once you open it up here, you see he's got a vest, a tie, all that good stuff, man, to be honest with you. I'll get more into details later. Let me set them aside and look at the goodies it comes with. I know there's more goodies here in the bottom. And boom, there's more. There it is. It does come with the instruction on how to use the stand, which to me, in my opinion, I think Blitzway does the best stands out there, period. You know, Hot Toys does not compare nothing to what these guys do with their stand. Comes with a little plastic to cover up all the goodies and stuff like that. Set it aside real quick. Alright, so let me take this out of the box. I like the box, guys. Definitely the box is way better than the Scarface. As we know, this is Blitzway's second figure. Their first figure was the Tony Montana, which I did a review on that, you know, before. Let me set this box aside. Awesome box. But before I set it aside, actually, let me go ahead and show real quick, you know, the stuff that it says on the side of the box and stuff like that. There it is, side of the box. It says the Carlito's Way, Blitzway 1/6 scale collectible figures, limited edition. The back of the box, Carlito's Way, Blitzway 1/6 scale collectible figures. If you want to pause and read, you can go ahead and do that now. And then it says here the creators. I actually spoke with Juan. You know, Juan was pretty cool dude. You know, he was the one that actually was the one that hit me up and let me know that the figure was in stock already and out for sale. So thanks to Juan. You know, Juan, thank you. Because of you, I know that this figure was out there already on sale, because I didn't even know when it kept getting pushed and pushed to a different date and stuff for a release. So, you know, thank you, Juan, for letting me know that the figure was out, because, you know, Juan knew that this was my favorite movie of all time, so he had to hit me up. So let me set this box aside now. Oh, sorry. And get into the goodies that it brings. Alright, so here we are with the goodies again. Comes with 4 hands and the other 2 that it has on, so that's a total of 6 hands. I know it comes with only, I believe it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 5 right hands and 1 left hand, which a lot of people have been complaining about that. I could really care, because to be honest with you, you could always buy a set of hands on eBay, guys. So why trip about that, you know? So I know it's for the money you pay for. Yeah, we should have gotten it, but hey, doesn't make this figure any less better. You know, it's still an awesome ass figure. Anyways, let me see this. Let me get to the stand for you guys see. There's the stand of Carlito's Way. Really beautiful stand, guys. Go ahead and see if I can get it to focus. Come on, focus, bro. There we go. Beautiful stand of Carlito's Way. It's not magnetized. You know, a lot of people haven't said that in their review. It's not magnetized like the Scarface one, which I wish they should have done. You know, that would have been awesome. But still, it's still a great stand from the reviews I've seen, with all the stuff that it brings, which I know that this is. Look, guys, I know that this right here is the stuff of the stand. which, bear with me guys, I am doing this with one hand, so I gotta get myself a tripod. Definitely, I think I'm gonna go to Walmart tonight and get myself a tripod. I'm just waiting to get a new camera before I get that, so I probably won't not. Anyways, let's go ahead and spray this out. Alright, so right here, what's cool about this stand, that's why Blitzway makes the best stand, even if it's not magnetized. You could either, you know, display him by putting this around his waist, or you can use the nut grabber, like I call it. You can, which, to be honest with you, I think that from the reviews I've seen, the waist is so much better because, you know, it just doesn't display in anything between their legs, and you can actually, this goes on here on the stand and stuff, whatever, which I'll do later on. And then you can put the legs to cover this, because this moves like, it moves like pretty much like this, you know, from, it does have some things here in the back that you can go ahead and move front and back and stuff like that. So yeah, brings I guess it was in there, I didn't see it, one peg. I gotta make this quick guys because I don't have that much time. Brings a peg to, in case one breaks, whatever. And comes with a beer bottle, really cool. Doesn't want to focus, but it's okay. Let's see if I can get it clear. Alright, doesn't want to focus. It's a beer bottle, guys. It's open here in the top. You got a little hole. Comes with a pocket knife, which we know. Let me see if I can get this real quick. Alright. Which we know it comes off here, comes out. How is it? I don't know. I just know it comes out. Anyways, it's supposed to come out, but people have told me to go ahead and use a set of tweezers to pull it out. So, yeah. What else does it come? Let me see. It comes with a set of glasses. Carlito Brigante's gold glasses, which of course you can see there. Let me see if I can get this to focus. They're glossy gold, really cool. What else? Comes with a gun, which cock backs, of course, just like the Scarface. Clip comes out also, just like the Scarface. I saw a review from somebody that took out the clip. Anyways, I'm not gonna go on that mission. Got no much time. Comes with a really badass chrome gun, really cool. Also cocks back, you know, and it also has a trigger that could be pulled back and forth from what I saw, and the clip also comes off as well. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can get this. Yeah, this one actually I got it to come off. Clip comes off, real cool. Yep. Clip back on. Let me see. Hopefully I could make enough time for this. Let's see. Come on, come on. Okay, there we go. Comes with money, which is like a glossy on a glossy paper, real cool. Comes with Carlito's chain, which is real cool. Let me see what else. And the last thing is it comes with, this was cool. I didn't know this until I saw a review from someone. And it comes with a shirt. It comes with an extra shirt that you can go ahead and change them and give them that look from the beginning, from the pool table scene and stuff like that. So so yeah guys, that's pretty much it, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Want to send out some shout outs, because I did promise I was gonna send some shout outs to some people. I want to send out a shout out to Once Customs. Spoke to the guy the other day on the phone, real cool dude, you know. He's got a good run coming up, you know. Real nice person. I finally got to speak to him, so, you know, real cool dude. And wanted to give a shout out to him, you know, and keep up the amazing work. One, you're doing a great job on that Hobo Myers, man. You're killing it. I mean, I can't wait till I do a full review like I'm doing on this, on that. So it's gonna be beautiful. And other shouts out, Joe Biz 34, the Clipper King, great review on Carlito's Way, and so much more, guys. I gotta go. Time is running out. Peace. God bless you. CAWWE12W here signing off.